Hello and welcome to Home Cooking Spain. Today I'm going to be cooking a delicious carrot, onion and potato puree. So let's begin. So we're going to start off by peeling the carrots, the onion and all the potatoes. There you go. And next to me I've got a large pot also. So we're going to start chopping. So I'm going to chop, it doesn't have to be finely sliced or anything, because I'm going to be boiling everything together and later making puree out of it. So that's the onion and the potatoes. What I'll do is just cube them up like that, and the carrots I'll just slice them up like this. So I'm going to do the whole lot and I'll be back in a bit. Alright, so I've got everything in the pot chopped up. So what I will do is I've got my blender ready also for later, don't forget that. So I'm going to add a couple of stock cubes. These are meat ones, but vegetable or chicken are good also. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil, and I'm also going to add, where's a spoon, about 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika. And I'm not going to add any salt yet. I'll wait for it to, when it starts boiling, I'll check, I'll have a salt check. Well, I'm going to add the water. And I'll turn this on. I'm going to turn it on full blast. I want to bring this to the boil quite quickly. Let's give it a stir. Right. So I'll be back once this starts boiling. Okay then, so this is starting to boil. I better turn the extractor fan on. So the stock cubes have dissolved, so it's a good time to have a salt check then. Obviously it's to my own taste. You can add or not add salt. I'm just going to add a pinch. Another good thing to add to this, instead of sweet paprika, would be some cayenne pepper. That would really warm you up on a winter's day, wouldn't it? I wish that I could add it, but my wife doesn't like hot or spicy food, so I'll probably add it on later on when I serve it up. Okay then, so we're going to cover this up, leave a gap obviously, so that it doesn't go everywhere. And I'm going to wait until the potatoes and the carrots are soft. I'll be back. Okay then, I think it's been about 20-25 minutes. So what I'm going to do is just have a look. They should be ready. Yeah, spuds are ready, carrots are ready, onions ready. By the way, it smells really good. If you wanted to, you could just eat it as it is. So what we'll do next, by the way, I've never made this before, it's my first. But it shouldn't be too complicated, should it? So I'm going to turn it off, cover it back up, and I'll just put it on my new chopping board. And yeah, I've got a parsley here to push it up later, straight from my garden. I'm going to let it cool down for about 15 minutes because I'm going to have to use this, and you never know what's going to happen, do you? So we'll let it cool down and we'll be back. Oh, and by the way, this is my crusty bread, which I make every 7-10 days, and I freeze it. I've unfrozen it, took it out this morning, and this will be ideal with that. I'll leave a link to the recipe of this bread in the description. Okay. Alright. Right, it's been on here for about, don't know, 20 minutes or so. So let's plug this machine in, see if it works. Yep. I'll start slowly first, just in case, and fingers crossed it doesn't splash out everywhere. Let's rev it up a bit more. Phew, that's tiring. Well, I think this looks done, doesn't it? There's no bits there. So, let's have a taste. Oh yes, beautiful. Really pleased with this. Let's see what it tastes like. Oh yes, my wife is going to love me extra for this. It's beautiful, really nice. Right, let's get this out, and I'm going to plate it up for the thumbnail, obviously. Wow, that looks beautiful. Let's push it up a little bit. A little bit of paprika and parsley. Well, I hope that you have enjoyed today's recipe video. If you did, please give me a like. It's very much appreciated. please subscribe, and I'm lost for words now. I look forward to sharing my next recipe with you. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.